Hello! So today I'm so excited to announce that I'm doing my first ever collab with Marshmello DIY. And it's so exciting. She reached out to me a few weeks ago asking if I wanted to collab with her, and I was more than happy to. You rarely see larger YouTubers collaborating with people who have just started out, so it was so nice of her and so sweet. So I'm going to leave her channel link in the description as well as her part of the video. And if you haven't already, you should check her channel out and subscribe. So for the video idea, we decided to turn fruits into character designs, and she gave me 2 fruits and I gave her 2 fruits. The fruits that she gave me were apples and grapes, and if you want to know what I gave her, then you can check her video out. I already sketched it and I already lined it, so you'll only see the coloring process. And one more announcement, I have an email now, so you can send your draw this in your style entries there, or your OCs, or fan art if you want. And I think I'll make an update video so that it's easier for people to see. But yeah, I'll leave it in the description if you want to use it. And let's get started. This video is almost 9 minutes long, so I'm not really sure what to talk about because I don't want to rant on about something for minutes. I'm pretty sure no one would like to hear about that. But first of all, I wanted to say thank you so much for 76 subscribers, and we're almost close to 80 subscribers, which means that we're getting close to my goal, which is 100 subscribers. I'd really like to get to 100 subscribers before my birthday comes up, which is pretty soon, I think. Also, thank you to those of you who have already entered my art contest. All of your entries are so amazing, and I think I have about 15 entries right now, and it's really exciting. I literally thought I was only going to get maybe 1 or 2 entries, maybe 5 when 10 at the max. So it's I'm so grateful for everyone. So yeah, I'm first drawing the grape girl, and I didn't really have anything specific planned for them. I just based their character design off of circles and obviously grapes. So her hair ponytail thing is grapes, obviously, and her skirt has polka dots, and her shirt also has a grape on it. I don't know if it's way too obvious, but hopefully when someone sees this, they can tell what it is. I'm also struggling to fill in large areas of spaces. Honestly, it's really hard, and I always get these splotchy messes. So if anyone can help me, then please do, because I really need help. And now I'm coloring the hair with a very light purple and a gray. And I'm lightening some parts so that it kind of blends in. It's like a method that I have that I use with my paint marker. And finally, the eyes. I'm also really happy with how this pose turned out. I don't do hands on the hips very often, and I think it looks pretty okay. So yeah, that's it for the grape girl, and onto the apple one. For some reason, when I think of apples, I think of checked or like pleated skirts. It's really weird. It's just how my mind works. I think it's because of like apple pies. And I had this idea of a Brit on her head, and I think it's really cute. It looks like an apple, I think. And yeah, I really like her and how she came out. Also, if anyone would want to do a collab with me, I'm more than happy to. My collabs are open. I think I only have one collaboration planned in the future, so if you would like to, then you can either ask in the comments or in the email that I have now, the new one. You'll see this in later parts and in the previous ones, but I cut out a few parts of me coloring it because the video was really long. It was an hour, I think, so yeah, I had to cut a lot of things out. I also wanted her silhouette to be circle-ish, so I gave her a bob, hoping that it looks kind of like a circle. We're getting close to the end, and if you made it this far, then I want to thank you so much for watching the whole part of the video, and comment down below which one was your favorite. So this is how both of them turned out. This is grape, and this is apple. I hope you enjoyed watching my process of coloring them in, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out Marshmello DIY, and I'll see you next video. Bye!